Welcome to a quick demonstration of some of the great features in Red Nightingale's Pocket Reporter Lite app for iPad. The built-in tutorial gives first-time users a detailed guide on how to undertake all the tasks shown in this video. As you go out with Pocket Reporter to inspect your properties, you will need to add some basic information, but having done that, you're ready to get started with your first inspection. Reports in Lite are made up of sections comprising either preset pre- or post-report information, or the spaces that make up the physical property, which we call areas. The areas you see in the list here are like building blocks that represent the different types of spaces you see in a property. But when adding them, you can name them however you like, so a hallway can be added but be called entry, while a bedroom can be called study, or first bedroom on left and back hallway. Adding areas in this way allows you to describe properties from a simple one-room studio apartment up to Dubai's Burj Khalifa, although we wouldn't personally recommend attempting this. Once you've added an area, you can simply type what you'd like to say onto the comments notepad. However, Pocket Reporter Lite provides two key information entry techniques to reduce the effort required for an initial report. The first involves Pocket Reporter's proprietary phrase-storm system. Phrase-storm allows you to describe an entire room with a single touch of the screen, or you can provide a highly detailed description with just a few touches. The real power of phrase-storm, however, is in its ability to quickly construct highly variable descriptions of uncommon situations using its gesture-based grammar system. Phrases are broken into common, descriptive, positive and negative types, which are then further broken into clouds of phrases for easy discovery. Phrasing is specific to the type of area or section being described. The grammar gestures involve swiping up to begin a sentence, swiping left to add a comma with the phrase, swiping right to add a joining word with the phrase, or finally swiping down to finish the sentence off. The second entry technique involves taking photos and attaching them to your report, which is an absolute breeze with Pocket Reporter. However, we've added a couple of great features here too. The first is that you can use phrase-storm to describe the photo itself. The description is displayed beneath the photo in the final report. The second feature is that you can add different coloured tags to the photo with multiple indicators to point out specific areas of concern within the photo. The text entered for the tag is displayed below the photo's description, but is associated with the tag through the tag number in the photo. As amazingly powerful as this all seems, the first report for a property is actually the hardest. Returning to a property a few months later allows us to really see Pocket Reporter Lite shine. The areas we added in the first report are all present, named, and in the order we inspected the property. Selecting an area allows us to review both the previous comments we have made as well as the previous photos that were taken of that area. Reusing a comment is as simple as a single touch of the screen, or we can select the part of a comment we want to use and copy and paste it. You can review a previous photo to see its tags and all the text that was associated with it. If the condition of the property in the photo has changed, then simply tap Update Photo. The previous photo and its tags are overlaid on the screen, allowing you to line up a new photo for perfect comparison shots. You can still take new photos or use phrase-storm to describe the area from scratch though. Pocket Reporter Lite is fully rotationally aware, and the portrait style provides an amazing amount of space to work in, particularly with phrase-storm. You can actually review the final, highly professional report on your iPad before you email or print it, with a property cover page photo and your logo at the top of the report. All the photos and their tags are exactly as they appear when worked on during the inspection, and the comparison photos are placed side by side with dates and text. Pocket Reporter Lite for iPhone is functionally identical to the iPad, although the smaller screen requires more navigation to move around the app. Pocket Reporter Pro is close to release, and more information can be found at our website, through our Twitter feed, or at the Pocket Reporter page in Facebook, where we'd love to hear comments and feedback from anyone involved in property inspections.